Welcome to Label Resizer.
In this video, I'll show you how to resize Walmart WFS shipment labels using Label Resizer. First, I'll demonstrate how to do this using the Label Resizer extension. Since the extension isn't installed yet, we see the Install Extension button. Let's click the button and install the extension first. Now let's refresh the page. The button is gone, and the extension has been authenticated. Now, let's go to the Shipment Settings page and select our label size. There are three options: Thermal, Paper Sticker, and Up Thermal. I'll choose Paper Sticker for this example. Note that Up Thermal and additional settings are Amazon only. Now, let's go to Walmart Seller Center and open one of the WFS shipment plans. Here, you'll see the Label Resizer button next to the Download button. First, let's click the Download button and take a look at Walmart's label. Walmart only offers 2 label sizes. Let's create and download the 4x6-inch label. Here is a typical Walmart label in the 4x6-inch size. Now, let's click the Label Resizer button. As you may remember, we selected a 4-up paper sticker label format. And our labels have been generated according to the selected label type and size. You can generate Walmart shipment labels with a single click using the extension. But this isn't the only way. You can also upload Walmart shipment labels directly to Label Resizer to convert them. Now, let me show you how. Go to the Resize Shipping Label page under the Shipment section. Let's upload the shipment label PDF we downloaded from Walmart. Again, the labels were created according to our settings. Now let's try selecting a thermal label size. To do that, let's go back to the Settings page. This time, we'll set the width to 4 inches and the height to 3 inches, so we can generate a label in a thermal format with different dimensions. Now, let's return to the Resize Shipment Label menu and upload the shipment label we downloaded from Walmart once more. You'll notice that the labels were created based on our chosen size. This time, to make the best use of the label space, we can see that the label has been rotated. That's it. Label Resizer. Resize your labels with ease.